Whipping up the babies, got the pot.
May.
Well, would you look at that, ladies and gentlemen? It is raining. Oh my god. And I'm only wearing a hoodie. I was like, there's no way it's gonna rain. Oh, beautiful. That's the first rain. Yeah, that's the first rainy ride on the bike for the year, and I'm sure there'll be plenty more as the year progresses on, but was not expecting it today. I've got my jeans on, Vans, and a hoodie. I got nothing to protect against the rain today. So let's just get to town. Oh my soul. Yeah, fuck this shit. I ain't waiting. I mean, it's not even that cold. Yeah, the temperature is really nice outside. It's not that bad. I wouldn't mind riding around in this weather without the rain. It's a bit chilly on the arms, but I mean, the arms can handle it. Where's your indicator? Typical BMW stuff. Typical BMW stuff. But yeah, I'm sure we've all heard the stereotype, BMW drivers don't use their indicators. Perfect example right there. Perfect example. What is that car doing? Like, pretty sure he's not allowed to drive in that lane. It's reserved for the buses. Buses. Bus. What's that? What is that? Oh, it's an R6. Is it? Yeah, it's the R6. I think it's the R6 that is there by Vikings. I think. Fan switch on. Gear up. Firm. Let's go. Wow. BMW. Jesus Christ. Fuck my life. Sounds so nice. Okay, now for the intersection, get out. Get out. And then no one, go. Firm. I'm surprised with the lack of traffic there is this morning. Friday morning, 8:30. I'm surprised with the lack of traffic. Like, color me shocked. Ah, I should probably stop. That's neutral. Neutralize. Okay. What? Truck. Not again. Wait, is it gonna go green now? No, I think they're gonna go green first. Yes. Oh, Jeep. That thing is shagging the hell out of that Ford. I don't know if you can see it, but I can see it. I don't think that thing's doing its rated tow capacity right there. I think it's over a little bit. Excuse me. So wait, that turn is before and after the light? Wow, they're so lucky. And then you hear the pop-up. And then you hear the pop-up. Sounds so nice. It sounds so nice. Bum, 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 bum. Ah, so good. Yeah, you know there's no traffic on a day like today when this part isn't filled up with cars. That means I can do this. Downshift. Braking. Brake before the corner. Turn in. And and then turn in, keep the line. Close to the apex, power out. Whee! That was fun. In vans. Where are my boots at? I need to get my boots repaired. The heel is breaking on them. Not the cruiser boots, the track boots. Yeah, very sad when I discovered that the other day. I think it was last weekend. I saw the boots, the heel is flapping around there. Tried double-sided tape, that did not work. I did not have shoe glue at the time, or super glue. But that probably would have worked better. I could get a tube of super glue after work and give it a try. It is the weekend. I'll probably be wearing the boots this weekend, and it's raining. I wonder if the camera's even blocked with the rain or not. Well, I guess we'll find out when I edit this video. And let go. That's a diplomatic plane. Don't know what country, but that's a diplomat. Starting with a D and ending with a D. Do not pull out. Jesus Christ. But alright. Thank you for tuning in today's morning commute. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.